Q.OMMAND Pro is an app in which installers can manage multiple sites and monitor installed products for better service. Q.OMMAND Pro allows you to check summaries and lists of all sites. You can use the toggle function of current status to filter the status of each household. Enter the serial number of each product in the search box. Click any specific site to move to the inventory screen. Check the installed PV capacity and battery capacity of the selected home. When clicking on the Graph menu tab on the top, you can check the energy data of the selected home in a graph and scroll down to view all the data. When clicking on the History menu tab in the bottom, you can view all archived error histories of the entire sites. When clicking on the Service History menu tab on the top, you can view the full history of installation, replacement, and uninstallation. The Statistics page allows you to search a specific household to see home energy data and graphs. On the Statistics menu tab, users can enter the serial number of a home in the search box. Scroll down to view data of power, energy, sensing, meter, and battery of a selected site. When clicking on the Group menu tab in the bottom, you are able to group the selected sites managed by the installer. After selecting a desired group and basic setting, click the OK button to change the feed-in limit value of the selected group. Important notifications can be received in real time. And you can also check the notification history through the Notification tab. Manage home energy information from various sites at once with Q.OMMAND Pro. Qcells.